Hi everyone. I will explain you once again on the tool, on this small tool. So you will hold the tool with your right hand. This is my right hand. Okay, I am holding the tool with my right hand, and with my left hand I am making a 6. Right. So I will start with this middle rod. So when I say +1, so every bead is up by the thumb. So when I say +1, so one bead goes up. If I say +2, so I have to take 2 beads up. Plus means addition. So 2 beads. So this is 1 and 2. So 2 beads will go up. Now if I say again +1, so 1 bead will go down. Right? Now if I say -2, 2, right? So 2 beads will come down. If I say -1, so with my finger, 1 bead will come down. If I say +3, so with my thumb, so +3. So there are 3 beads, so 3 beads will go up. -2, so 2 beads will come down. Again -2, 2 beads will come down. If I say +3, so 3 beads will go up. -3, 3 beads will come down. I hope this is clear. Please try to practice this at home. And if any problem, just message me. Okay? Bye.